Okay, so first thing you're gonna do is just cut out a, what is it, a rectangle? So you're just gonna cut out a rectangle and make it as even as possible. And then you'll have two rectangles of the neon yellow fabric. So make sure you measure this piece. It should go on your chest from armpit to armpit. So now you're just going to do the same thing with the pink one. Just put the yellow fabric over it and then just cut it. So right here I'm just evening it out. It was looking a little crazy, so I just straightened it out. So just a little heads up, I'm not going to use this bathing suit to swim. I made this bathing suit just to look cute, you know, hang out by the pool. But if you did want to swim in this bathing suit, just buy some bathing suit material and sew it on the inside and you'll be good to go. And let me know if you guys want to see a bathing suit that you can swim in, because I'd be happy to make a video about it. So now you need to sew the two yellow pieces together. So just fold over each side and sew it. So the yellow part is done, and now you're going to do the same exact thing on the pink part. Here I'm just making sure that they're going to be the same size, so I just put the yellow part down and then folded over the pink part to see how much I needed to sew. So after you sew all 4 sides of the pink one, then it's time to attach them. So right here I'm just attaching them. Make sure the right sides are kissing, just like that. So you want the hemmed parts on the outside. So you're just going to put them right together and sew them right down. Use the zigzag stitch, that way it'll stretch. Okay, so this side is done. It looks really good. Now it's time to do the same thing on the other side. So now you're just going to flip it the right way and your top is done. So now it's time to do the bottoms. So I just got a pair of underwear that I liked. I like the shape of them, and I just traced those and then I cut them out. So obviously this is going to be the back, and I did use 2 pieces of fabric. You can use 1 if you want. I just felt better using 2. So right here I just put the underwear underneath the shirt and traced out the front part. That way I knew where I needed to cut. There's probably an easier way to do this, but this is just like the easiest way I could think of. So right here, I'm just going to sew the middle part, make sure the right sides are kissing. So the sides that you want to show need to be on the inside. So I just put those together and sewed it right up. Kind of did it out of order. I probably should have did this part first, but it's okay. So you're just going to fold over your fabric on every side and then sew it. So my camera died, but everything that I'm doing to the pink side, you know, folding it over and sewing it, I also did to the yellow side, but I just didn't get to record it. So now it's time to sew the two parts together. So like always, right side's kissing, and then you're just gonna sew straight down where the top is. Make sure you don't go into the leg hole, because then you won't be able to put them on. Turn them right side out, and congratulations, you made it to the end. It is done. Everything is finished. You guys, so this is the final product. I'm like so in love with it. If you like this video and you want to see more, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.